Hey, what's up guys? I hope you will be fine. I am starting course on how to earn money from your app made with Thunkable. I recommend you to watch all the videos that will be uploaded about this course. I shall guide you through each and every step. So without wasting time, let's get started. Open your browser and type Thunkable and search it. The first one link is you have to open it. Click sign in. Android. Now you have to log in with your Google account. Select your account. You have successfully signed in. Here is your dashboard. Click create new app. Choose app name as you want. I am selecting test app. Open it. Now follow all the steps that I am doing. To display ad, you have to choose your screen size to be responsive. Grab a label and drop it on your screen. Go to experimental section and drop AdMob banner ads. Now choose interstitial ads. Now go to sensor section and drop a clock. Go to block section, choose clock. Follow all the steps carefully. Go back to designer tab. Now you have to put your ad unit ID. Go to AdMob, open a tab and type apps.admob.com. If you have not created your AdMob account yet, you can watch the video which is popping out on the top right corner of the video. Now add an app and create ad units. You can give it any name. Copy it and paste it here. Make sure you have unchecked the test mode. You can put the same ad unit ID in as many ads as you can. Uncheck all the test modes. Go back to ad mode and create interstitial ad unit ID. Paste it here and also uncheck the test mode option. Now select time interval of clock to 100. On export, you can export QR code of the app, and you can also save this APK file to your computer. I am exporting app QR. Exporting app takes time. Now go back to AdMob account and press done. Your app is now ready to be installed on your device. Thanks for watching. Subscribe Teach Me channel for more amazing videos. And if you have not subscribed my channel yet, you can press on the red subscribe button and also on the bell icon to get latest videos directly when they upload it. This is the app that we have made recently. I am opening this app. Ads take some time to appear. Wait a few seconds. Wow, it is working now. Do not get excited, because if you will not follow the instruction that will be uploaded in the next videos, you will be suspending your account. If you have any question, you can ask in the comment section. You can also ask it on Facebook page.